The 2026 Tesla Model 3 doesn't have a traditional transmission. Neutral mode disengages the electric motor, allowing the wheels to rotate freely. This is essential for car washes and towing. This video will guide you through activating neutral for these scenarios. To engage neutral mode, first ensure your Model 3 is stationary and unlocked. Next, tap the gear icon at the bottom of the touchscreen. Then, select neutral from the options that appear. The car will now be in neutral mode, ready for the car wash or preparation for towing. For added safety, the system may require key fob proximity or app approval. Using neutral mode in automatic car washes is crucial for preventing damage. The electric motor could engage and resist the conveyor belt, potentially causing scratches or electrical faults from water exposure. To use neutral for car washes, first select neutral on the touchscreen gear selector. Then ensure the vehicle can roll freely on the conveyor track before entering the wash. Remember the 2025 case study where a Model 3 owner forgot to engage neutral, resulting in scratches from the conveyor resistance. Tesla issued a software patch emphasizing user education for safe car wash use. Tow mode is specifically designed for towing your Model 3. Access it via controls, then service, then towing on your touchscreen. Note that Model 3s with software version 2026.15 or later may require biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition via the in-car camera. Confirm to unlock the wheels for towing, allowing speeds up to 50 miles per hour, which is 80 kilometers per hour for 50 miles or 80 kilometers. Newer 2026 Model 3s feature Smart Neutral. This system automatically detects car wash environments using GPS and sensors. It then prompts you to confirm neutral mode, streamlining the process and minimizing the risk of forgetting. This was part of an over-the-air update in late 2025. Tesla's neutral and tow modes prioritize safety. The car must be stationary and unlocked for activation. If the battery is low, below 20%, neutral might be restricted. These safeguards prevent accidental engagement and unauthorized towing. Elon Musk emphasizes the importance of these safety features to promote EV adoption. If you're having trouble engaging neutral or tow mode in your 2026 Tesla Model 3, start by ensuring the vehicle is completely stationary and unlocked. The system requires these conditions for safety to prevent accidental movement. Next, double-check your battery level. Neutral mode requires at least 20% battery charge to activate, as the system needs power for electromagnetic controls. If the battery is too low, the mode will be restricted. Keep an eye out for software updates, as Tesla constantly improves neutral mode functionality. Recent updates have enhanced safety protocols and made activation more reliable. Connect to Wi-Fi to download the latest version. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult your Tesla owner's manual for detailed diagnostics or contact Tesla service directly. They can provide specific guidance for your vehicle's software version. Tesla is moving towards autonomous neutral management, where the vehicle can automatically handle neutral mode activation. This builds on current trends where 70% of Model 3 owners already use app-based remote activation. By 2027, expect full integration with full self-driving V12, enabling automatic neutral during service modes without user input. This will include AI-enhanced safeguards against cybersecurity risks. These advancements align with Tesla's goal of zero mechanical damage repairs and will make neutral mode even more intuitive and reliable. Stay tuned for future updates that will further enhance and automate these features.